Yes, we read it now. Marginal revenue and marginal cost are economic concepts, economics subjects concepts we should have studied that in 11th standard. But in business decision making, they are very important. And so using this calculus, using this differentiation technique, we can find what is the marginal revenue and marginal cost, which is very important for a business. Raise your hand. What is the meaning of marginal revenue? Raise your hand. In economics, we have done it. So what is the meaning of marginal revenue?
The revenue which we get by producing an additional unit.
Correct. Additional revenue earned by producing and selling one additional unit is called marginal revenue. In fact, marginal means additional. So marginal revenue in one word, additional revenue. But by selling one additional unit. Same way, marginal cost means additional cost of producing one additional unit. So can I say marginal revenue means change in revenue due to change in one unit?
Yes.
Can I say marginal cost means change in cost due to change in one unit? And what do we do in dy by dx? Change in y due to change in x. So if revenue function is denoted as r, then marginal revenue is dr upon dx. Change in revenue due to change in one unit of x, where x is the quantity. If cost function is denoted as c, then marginal cost is dc upon dx, where again cost and x means the units of quantity x. So change in cost due to change in one unit of quantity of x. Revenue and cost functions will be given. We have to differentiate them. You have to obtain their derivative, that itself is marginal revenue and marginal cost. Did everyone understand this? So write down. First of all, suppose revenue function is denoted as r. If r is given in the question, well and good. If it is not given, then you will find it as price into quantity. Okay. How do you find the revenue of the business? Price into the quantity produced and sold. So P into X. Quantity now onwards will be denoted as X. Any confusion in this? Marginal revenue will be obtained as dr upon dx. So you differentiate the revenue function with respect to x. And marginal cost. Cost function will always be directly given to you. Unlike revenue, where sometimes you have to find price into quantity, cost function will always be given. So you simply have to differentiate dc upon dx. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts with it? So page number 196. Section C. Question number 11. Be attentive. Find marginal revenue if revenue function is, now here revenue function is directly given. Revenue function means R. R is given as 90x minus x square by 2. Is everyone clear with this? Now we have to find marginal revenue. So as I said, marginal revenue means dr by dx. So d by dx of 90x minus x square by 2. Any confusion in this? You just have to differentiate the function given to you. So d by dx of, in place of r we have 90x minus x square by 2. In place of r 90x minus x square by 2. Any confusion in this? Now 90x will become 90. x square 2x upon 2, 2 gets cancelled. 90 minus, this is the final answer. Marginal revenue is 90 minus x. If x value is given, substitute that. Suppose they say, find marginal revenue at 10 units. Then in x you will substitute 10. So 90 minus 10, 80. What does that mean? 11th unit will get you the revenue of 80 rupees. At 10 units your marginal revenue is 80. Means if you sell one more unit, 11th unit, then you will earn revenue of 80 rupees. Marginal revenue, additional revenue. Did you understand this? So if value of x is given, we would substitute that. Any confusions in this? Question number 20. Anyone still doing with 11? Obtain marginal cost if the production cost function is C, because now again cost function, as I said, will always be directly given. 0.0012 x square minus 0.18 x plus 25. So straight away marginal cost dc by dx equals to d upon dx of 0.0012 x square minus 0.18x plus 25. Did you understand this? 0.0012 into 0.0024, x2 minus 1 becomes 1. And minus 0.18x simply becomes minus 0.18. Oh. Did you understand this? So, there is a marginal cost. Again, suppose the value of x is given, let us say 1000. Then 10,000. At 10,000 units, what would be your marginal cost? 0024x means in x you put 10,000. 0024 into 10,000 is 24. 24 minus 0.18. 23.82. At 10,000 units, your marginal cost would be 23.82. Means producing 10,000 and first unit would cost you 23.82 rupees. This is what it means. Is everyone clear with this? Section D, question 15. Page 198. Question 15, be attended. Find marginal revenue if demand function is P equals to 2500 minus x square upon 100. Now, you are given the demand function, you are not given with the revenue function. And you are asked with marginal revenue, not marginal demand. Okay, so you cannot do directly this dp upon ds. We have to first find revenue, which is P into x. All other questions which we did, revenue function was directly given. And here what is given? Unlike demand function, not revenue function. Okay. So first of all, to find the marginal revenue, we need revenue. And that revenue is P into x. So write down revenue R is equal to P into x. In place of P, 2500 minus x square upon 100 into x. In place of P, 2500 minus x square upon 100 and multiplied with x. 2500 into x, 2500x, x square into x, x cube upon 100. Any confusion in this? 2500x minus x cube divided by 100. This is the revenue function. Now raise your hand. How would you differentiate this? Like this we could simply differentiate. 90x becomes 90. X square becomes 2x by 2. How would you differentiate this? Raise your hand. Parik,
U divided by V.
by applying the formula of u divided by v, where u will be equal to 2500x minus x cube and v will be equal to 100. Did you understand this? Any other simple way of doing it? Raise your hand. But there are not two equations. Any other simple way of doing it? Charada? Anyone else?
You will divide if give 100 towards 2500 and x cube and then
Give means individual. Split this equation. Can I say 2500x upon 100 minus x cube upon 100? Do both of them means one and the same or not? For example, here if you do the LCM, then what is the LCM? 100. Then what would you get? 2500 minus x cube. So you split this in two parts. 2500x also divided by 100, x cube also divided by 100. Now this 100 gets cancelled. 25x
Would it be 3x squared?
after differentiation. Yes, did you all understand this splitting up? So now we don't have to do u divide by v. And if you don't want to split, you can do u divide by v. Is everyone clear with this? This is more simple method. Why so far we have not applied it? Because we never got such an equation. We always had in denominator x plus 2. Or we had x square plus x plus 1, something like that. If there is a constant number in denominator, then only you can do this. Is everyone clear with it? Now write down marginal revenue dr by dx. So d by dx of 25x minus x cube upon 100. 25x will become 25, x cube will become 3x square by 100. Did everyone understand this? Even if you do by u by v, you'll get the same answer, but with very long process. V du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. So this is easier way of doing it. Is everyone clear with it? Now, question number 19. Be attentive. Production cost of a factory producing sugar is C equals to x square by 10 plus 5x plus 200. Find the marginal cost and like if the production is 100 units. Now that is asked. So after finding marginal cost, in x will substitute 100 and then we'll interpret it as I already discussed. So first we'll find marginal cost. dc by dx. So d upon dx of x square by 10 plus 5x plus 200. Okay, d upon dx of x square by 10 plus 5x plus 200. X square becomes 2x upon 10 plus 5x becomes 5. 200 becomes 0. 2 into 5 is 10. So x upon 5 plus 5. Any confusion in this? Now, what is the value of x given in the question? 100 units. So at x equals to 100, dc by dx is equal to, in place of x we will put 100. So 100 divided by 5 plus 5. 20 plus 5, 25. Okay, 100 divided by 5 is 20 plus 5, 25. What does it mean? At 100 units, marginal cost is 25 means 101st unit will be produced at a cost of 25. After 100 units, one more unit will cost you 25. Is marginal cost. Did everyone understand this? So it is as interpreted. So right on below that it means 101st unit will be produced at a cost of rupees 25. Is everyone clear with it? Now question 20. The cost function of producing X units of a commodity is C equals to 50 plus 2x plus root x. Again, find the marginal cost if the production is 100 units and interpret. So, Lavina. Now, first of all, 50 plus 2x plus x raised to 1 by 2. Now, marginal cost dc upon dx d upon dx 50 plus 2x plus x raised to half. 50 becomes 0, 2x becomes 2. Further, yes, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 by 2. Further, minus 1 by 2 will bring in the denominator. So can I write this 2 of root x? 2 plus 1 upon 2 root x. Is everyone clear with this? And we will again put x as 100. So at x equals to 100, dc by dx is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 2 into root of 100. 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 10. Square root of 100 is 10. 2 into 10 is 20. Valerie, further.
20 into 2, 40 plus.
Yes, 20 into 2, 40 plus 1 upon 20. So 41 upon 20, 2.05
Yes.
means, what will you interpret? Raise your hand. The cost of producing 101st unit. At x equals to 100 we have done. So after 100, 101st. The cost of producing 101st unit would be 2.05 rupees. So right down below that thus. The cost of producing 101st unit is rupees 2.05. Is everyone clear with this? Let's put it off.